Damn, it's hot today, boys. Got the GoPro outside. BMW's take over Miami. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We just left the car meet and we're heading to go get something to eat. So we're gonna catch some of the road vibes. You know how it is. Hey, diablo! Que maldito hueco. Damn. Anyway, we're gonna go catch something to eat. We're going to Apocalypse BBQ, guys. And I was thinking about it. Let me know, should I start a food vlog channel after the car meets? Because we be eating some crazy stuff sometimes. We be eating crazy. The manual. Oh no, Dini. We got Alex. We got Armando, that boy. Then we got Johnny right behind me. I don't know if you guys can see him. And then we got Dini up there. I'm about to hit up Ron and tell him we're going to Apocalypse right now. Let me see. Never mind. You never know what kind of... Look at these roads, man. I feel like I'm in a third world country right now. Yeah, there he is. I don't like being the last one because you never know what's behind us, you know? So I'm gonna try to get in front of some of these fellers. Too much wind noise. I think I'm gonna put the windows up just a little bit so you guys don't get freaking bombarded with all this wind, you know? So you gotta think about you guys. We haven't done one of these videos in a while, like a little POV drive. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. You gotta be careful with the NPCs out here too. Look at all the M's. We love just going on a little chill cruise. Nothing but chill vibes, you know? Oh shit. Trying to catch the views of these guys driving, you know? Oh, this guy's confused. This guy's so lost. I chose the wrong lane, man. I shouldn't be on the right side. Getting left behind. Wait up for me, boys. So Armando got a manual too, man. It's nice having another manual, boy. Supposed to show up at the Z06. I don't know where he's at. Is he gonna hit a pull? Is he gonna do a pull or no? Ooh, that thing looking so pretty. Guys, I got the window down and the AC blasting because it's freaking 94 degrees. Whoa, what is that? A freaking blinker? I thought I had to pay a subscription for that. Nah, I'm just playing. But yeah, guys, if you saw my previous video, man, we hit 10K, bro. 10K, that's a lot of people. And we just started a year ago, last February. So I'm gonna keep grinding. And also, I'm waiting on confirmation of one person to see if they're coming with me or not, but I am going to Beamer Invasion LA. So drop down a comment below if you're gonna be there too. I want to see who I meet out there. Supposedly the scene is crazy. I mean, I've seen the video, so I'm super excited to see what they got. Manual is so damn fun, guys, man. Could be slower, but it's fun. I'm not gonna lie. This is a much better spot than their last spot. Their last spot had like no parking. Here we got options out here. Hopefully the line isn't too crazy too. Let's see, let's figure out this parking situation. We're good. We're over here. We got some spots. The other guys park somewhere else. I don't know. It's kind of packed over here. Let's go see how long the wait is. Oh, yes, sir. And look at this. We got free freaking beer ski for waiting out here. Johnny got the water. Yo, what water is that? This should look exclusive, bro. That looks good. This is hype. I've had it before. Cheers.
No bowl? Is that the no bowl?
Yeah. It's my first food vlog. Vlog.
Oh,
Yeah. Nah, I'm playing. It was a little cruise. That cruise was nice.
The thing is, my boy.
Yeah.
I mean, at least you live here, bro. Yeah. No, everybody's like, oh, what is it? A gun? I'm like, no.
Whoa, what you got? What you got there? Oh, they thought it was a 9.
Hold on. The bat. Oh!
Hey! Yo, we need one.
So the
I gotta get a Florida tat.
The inspiration for the colors is like the Scarface background, where you know when he's sitting down.
Oh shit.
Ah, that's sick. What's yours mean, bro?
I live right here.
Put a little star on it.
Yeah, put a little star.
That boy tuned now. Hey. That boy tuned now.
In the back. He ain't gonna get nothing.
Hopefully that orange car leaves and he can park next to me. You guys came right on time. It's a food vlog today, bro. Food vlog. Good, bro.
What's up with that meat?
And what you talking about?
The car meat. Y'all might be.
Yeah, that meat was alright.
Yeah, it's kind of calm, not gonna lie. It took a long time to get like cars
But we're
there.
doing something after, right? Because we're not just
Huh?
ride out or something.
I don't know. I gotta go to Miami Carbon after this for the steering wheel. I think the route. So we could catch a vibe out there.
That boy sweaty.
Yo, I'm shiny right now. Where'd they go? Oh, I think maybe that way. There we go. Damn, we got the intimate setting back here. Yo, The AC is hitting right now. I'm gonna sit right here. The kids table? Yeah, I got crayons. Yeah, that boy tuned now. That boy tuned.
In the 600 ranges, you know.
6 songs, 6 and change.
Yo, you feel the difference in this car? Whoa! Inside is a whole different thing.
You already.
That shit was crushing.
Nah, not yet, right? Yeah. That could be us, bro.
I know. We gotta do it, bro. Manuals.
Yeah, we gotta do our clutch though.
You do it first, man. I'll do that.
Huh?
You do it first.
Yeah, I'll be the guinea pig. Look, guys, this is the menu right here. You see what we got? You see they got some summer specials here too. Mango tango ribs.
Let me have the left side of the menu.
I gotta share the menu with somebody. Let's see, bro. Vamos a ver lo que vamos a ordenar aquí. I think I had the half-pound brisket last time. That brisket is so good. I'm gonna decide, and I'm gonna show it to you guys once I get it. We got the little mango lemonade, and I think we're about to order right now. We're gonna do separate orders. I think I'm gonna do the brisket, not gonna lie. Might have to do the brisket. And I'll probably get the fries and the cornbread. The cornbread is so good.
Okay.
Oh, the glizzy master right here. We got the cornbread.
We have 2 loaded mac and cheeses, 1 regular mac, and 1 loaded fries.
Damn, that looks crazy. I should have gotten this.
Thank you, bro.
I think he had the other one. Yo.
You got a little Mac, right? Yeah, I did. Oh, wow.
I think I had the fries or you had the fries.
Yo, just got this big ass glizzy. That's all I got.
That's nuts. Is this the cowboy one?
You have to eat.
That boy already choking on it.
Yeah, what the fuck? You gotta eat it in one bite, bro.
That's crazy. Ooh, the half rack. Look at that. Brisket. Thank you. My bad, bro.
I'm gonna get brisket.
Oh shit. Get out of here. Let's put them right next to each other.
I got the bread too.
Why is the color of your meat different?
This guy, bro.
This is nuts.
Look at this. Yo. That's a half right there. That's a half? It's a half. That looking like a full.
Yo, that looks like a half to me.
I think they messed up.
Damn, we gotta get the redo too. Thoughts, boys, thoughts.
Best ribs I've ever had in my life.
Alright guys, I'm gonna dig in real quick. This is what we got. We got the cowboy link, master glizzy right there. Cornbread, fries, and brisket. Look at this. I'm gonna just show you guys real quick. Look. That just comes right off, man. I'm gonna enjoy this. Bon appetit.
I'm gonna shove this in my mouth for real.
Another beer?
That's a smash burger? Oh, that's crazy. Let's give him some privacy.
That's like a...
Sheesh. Let's see what Johnny thought about it today, bro. What do you think?
Huh?
Good choice?
These niggas are tripping out.
Where's Ruben? Yo, what's the rate? 10 out of 10?
Yo, this guy says he's coming back. Look.
Yeah. Mañana pa' acá otra vez.
This heat is crazy.
Yeah.
Yo, boy, you better leave that gym alone. Get swole, boy.
I'm actually cutting up.
Swole, dog. Dog. Put the muscle on, dog.
Today was refeed day?
We're going this morning, dog. 7 o'clock being this dude right here. 7 before coming here.
Ray's café con leche, bro. That's what he woke up on.
You guys rolling or you?
I gotta go to the Doral now.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll catch you.
Yeah.
Yo, good seeing
No
you guys,
emo.
man.
No emo.
Go, so I can't see a damn thing. Well, you
No emo. No way. No emo. See you, bro. Drive safe.
You got the experience, right? Oh, hell yeah.
Oh shit, bro. I forgot you're over there. Have a good day, bro.
Dark side, thank you.
Hey, you guys slide into the Doral too? Let's go.
Nah, I gotta go home.
You gotta.
Drop off the kid package.
Yeah. Mine going in the trunk. See you, bro. You coming? Oh, you got the day. Oh, that's right. Oh, we're going spicy tonight.
Yo, one advice. Pull it out.
Oh, pull me.
Oh, you not tuned? Nah. Why that shit moving like it's tuned?
Why you gotta roast me? It's that XHP, right?
I thought he was
Yo, where are you trying to go?
straight for no reason.
I'll follow you. If I could keep up, Toon Boy.
You're not tuned either?
Nah. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think about this style of video. You know, catching a little cruise, going out to get something to eat with the guys. I think the vibes were great. But you guys let me know if you like this. Make sure you drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.